Welcome to Metabo. We present you today an easy removal of weld beams. Christian on the left side will show you how easy it is to remove the weld beam with our PFM 17, and on the other side we see Norbert pushing as hard to get the weld beam removed with a 1900 watt powerful angle grinder. Please have a close look at three topics: the sparks, the speed and the result. Thank you. What we just saw is a very easy weld beam removal. Much faster, almost spark-free, and look at the even surface. These are really great tools. Thank you.